Hi guys, welcome to our speed sound session. Are we ready? Ooh, b, k, g, ooh, oh, oh, s, s, I. Now today we're going to be learning the sound e, e, e. How we write an E. We start on the line, we go up and around. It's one of our caterpillar letters. Are you ready? Start on the line, up and around. Can you do it with me with your magic finger? You ready? Up and around, up and around. Can you think of some things that start with the e sound? I've got some in my bag. I've got an envelope. Maybe it's got some messages in there. I've got an egg. This is a pretty painted egg. I've got an elephant. A great big trunk. Oh, one of my favourites. A nice boiled egg. Egg. Now, when we're doing our e sounds, it's the short sounds. Eggs in a pan. Eggs in a pan. Eggs in a pan. Today, I was left this envelope with a secret message inside. And I don't know what it means, so I've wrote it out to show you. Can you see I've got pictures and sound boxes? It took me a long time to figure out how to crack this secret message, but the boys did help me. So we've got a picture of an igloo. What does igloo start with? I. And then we've got a picture of a tree. It's a t. So that makes the word it. It. And it again. I. S. For scissors. It is. And it again. I. And then number 9. What does 9 start with? It is in, another T. That's a picture of a hat, and a boiled egg. So our sound is e. It is in the, a picture of a book. Book start with B for book. B. An apple. And some yummy grapes. What does that say? Bag. It is in the bag. I wonder what is in the bag. That's a funny message to get in an envelope. Let me get my bag and see. It's a message from the wolf. Oh no. I'd better write a secret message back and post it in this envelope. So your job today, you're going to write your own secret message in an envelope. Okay? Now you might want to post your envelope to your friend, or maybe you could post it to school and we could get lots of secret messages. You're going to make your messages by drawing the pictures for the initial sound of the word. So I did an igloo for I, a tree for T. You might need an adult to help you, and that's okay. If you don't have an adult around, you can do your E formation sheets from your pack. Good luck!